Hi everyone, welcome to the 44th session of Python for Machine Learning. In this session, we will continue from where we have left in the previous session. And the topic of this session is the annotate. We will use the architecture column and get the minimum and maximum value, and again mark the minimum and maximum value in the curve with an arrow in the figure. So we have our data set with us. What is df.info? And we have this respective columns architecture. So first of all, we will plot it and see how is the plotting. plt.plot df year comma df comma color we will give equals to red, label architecture plt.legend will give location is equals to lower center. We'll execute this two lines. Okay, so we can see now when we will apply the annotate, after that at the lowest point will be an arrow indicating the minimum value, and again at the highest point here it will be an arrow which will indicate the maximum value. So how do we achieve this? Arch underscore maximum value which is equals to df architecture dot max. So this value is 44. If we go here in this, where for which year the value is 44, we can see the value is 41499. This, the corresponding year is 2006. Okay, now we'll give the year max which is equals to df. We need to get the year max, right, for that particular architecture. So for that first we give year df architecture. What is the error? Okay, end of line scanning string. This is missing. Now my year max value. So whatever I have shown you, like for this particular, if you see for the architecture, what is the maximum value? The maximum value of architecture is 44 for the corresponding year 2006. So we have got the value year max and the 2006 here, and the maximum value for the architecture column. Now we need to apply this plt.annotate. What will give? Now what is the message you want? We want the value there to be maxi. Okay, and then xy is my dimension where it should start. Where will my value start? So year underscore max, we have ch underscore max. Here xy is equal to the starting position of my arrow, and then till where my arrow will end, it will be year max plus, we'll say 5 max comma argmax plus 5. Then we'll give comma a. We need an arrow, right? Arrow props is equal to dict dictionary is equals to. So if we execute this, what we will get? This was missing. So now if we execute this, okay, now you can see, right, like it is coming here the maximum. If we increase the value of this to suppose 15, so you can see the maximum value is being so big, so it is not required to be that much of big. So we'll again make it as 5. Now if you want to give the minimum value of this column architecture, so it will be like, we'll do the same thing. So here we'll give minimum. Now the minimum values for this architecture column is 11.92. Okay, so we'll open df. 11.92 is which year? 1970. So the very first year in this column. Execute this. So year mean is 1970, whatever we have. Now we'll give here xy is equals to year min comma arch the starting position of the arrow and the ending position will be the same. Here min comma Argmin arrow prop we will give 3 suppose. So now if we execute this, what will happen? Okay, this will not come because we have not executed the entire set. So you can see this arrow is coming, but it arrow is actually this place is not visible correctly. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll find some different thing. We'll remove this 5 here, and we will again execute this. Now it is pretty much visible, right? But still we need to add the xlabel and ylabel because everything is not present correctly. Means my x-axis and y-axis, what are they, is not visible. Then I'll give enrollment percentage. After that plt.title, what, undergraduate and undergraduate. And then we'll give plt.show. We'll execute this. So we can see the maximum and the minimum value. Now minimum value is also not coming properly. What we'll give some spacing here. Some spacing we'll give, and then we will again execute it. Now you see minimum value is like not coming in front of this the curve. So this is how we can use the annotate function of matplotlib, and we can get the minimum and maximum values that we can represent it using the arrows, and we can display it in our figure. So that's it for this session. Thanks a lot for watching this session. If you feel this video is helpful, please press the like button and subscribe to this channel. Also, if you want me to cover any other topic, please post in the comment section. Thank you.